Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey. We have this beautiful mint condition Road King. This is Ray's Road King. This thing is immaculate. He's a nut when it comes to the detail on his bike. We've been going back and forth for a while, so he finally dropped it off for us to do the upgrade, and we're already planning more upgrades over the winter, but this bike sounds fabulous. Ray's super meticulous. Like, there's some detail in this bike. He had the Harley emblem airbrushed into the pinstriping. Like, no, he's just that type of guy. Everything has to be to the umpteenth degree. He actually pre-wired the bike for us, so he ran the wires through the lower engine guard because he didn't want any of the wires visible. He ran it active, so the tweeter has its own wire, the woofer has its own wire. Then he just brought it to us to finish it up. We did a nice setup in the tour pack with a nice light up logo for his tour pack with a nice Harley emblem. We did his pickup truck a few years ago, and that thing is just as mint as his bike. All his cars, all his vehicles are super mint. Ray's just that guy. Then it looks good, sounds good. So did an HCAM mini DSP, sound digital 1600.1, sound digital 1200.4. It's a Road King, so all the amps went in the tour pack. Went with ground zero 8s in the lowers, ground zero 6x9s in the lids, Hertz 200L mid-bass drivers in the bags. The bike sounds really, really good. It's a really good looking bike. He keeps it super, super mint. Check out the build.
So hard, such a melting pot on the corner selling rock. Preachers pray to God. Yeah, the gypsy cab takes me down from Harlem to the Brooklyn Bridge. Someone sleeps tonight with the hunger for more than an empty fridge. I'ma make it by any means. I got a pocket full of dreams, baby. I'm from New York, concrete jungle where dreams are made of. There's nothing you can't do. Now you're in New York. These streets will make you feel brand new. Big lights will inspire you. Hear it for New York, New York, New York. One hand in the air for the big city. Street lights, big dreams, all looking pretty. No place in the world that can compare. Put your lighters in the air, everybody say yeah, 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 yeah. New York, concrete jungle where dreams are made of. There's nothing you can't do. Now you're in New York. These
¿Cómo tú te llamas? Yo no sé. ¿De dónde llegaste? Mi pregunta. Lo único que sé que quiero con usted, quedarme contigo hasta el amanecer. Óyeme, mamacita, ¿cómo quiere que la llame señorita? Me han dicho que usted luce bien bonita. Una latina como tú no necesita. Ay, maldita abusadora. Nada más te ves bien, bien. Échate pa' acá pa' pasarla bien, bien, bien. Yo no aguanto más, pégate bien, bien, bien. Y ven la madrugada juntitos los dos hasta la amanecer. Dale ahí. vamos a darle. Dale pa' mi casa, ven y caile. Ven, dale ahí, ahí. Le regalaré a usted una noche llena de placer. ¿Cómo tú te llamas? Yo no sé. ¿De dónde llegaste? Ni pregunté. Lo único que sé que quiero con usted quedarme con...
Te propongo que regreses sin preguntas ni reproches. No me importa si el amor fue tu equipaje, no me importa tu pasado, solo quiero tu presente. Te propongo simplemente que seas mi manantial.
Last chance for love. Yes, it's my last chance for romance tonight. I need you by me, beside me, to guide me, to hold me, to scold me. 'Cause when I'm bad, I'm so bad. So let's